पहले मजा सुन रहा हूँ. I think that basically the person who is running the world basically, he created one system basically. That system basically, utilities basically, lots of utilities basically are dumped into that system. Each basically rich people basically who are the energy group basically and the handling the ONGCs, Reliance, IPCLs, big power companies, big nuclear power companies, they have got some user IDs. They are approved also basically by the admin department basically. So they basically can purchase the utilities like they, for example, Reliance told that basically I am creating some human souls. So in that basically I might required this human need basically which has to be dumped into this human source. So he told that basically he purchased basically 3 to 4 resources basically from that, and he basically started giving his requirement basically. That is basically the RIL basically and Jamnagar basically and Panvel basically energy department. So they basically given the requirement basically. This group basically taken the requirement, and on the basis of this basically the inputs are basically dumped basically. Inputs are dumped in the human souls. Inputs are basically from coming from where? Few inputs basically are very costly. That is, they have to create few cities only basically. Few inputs basically they gets from AI industry basically. Few inputs basically they gets from the software companies. Few from the medical department basically. But they have to do all the manipulation. So one person told that like this basically the human souls basically get. So like this utility basically the World Bank basically creator basically has created. So like this basically creates the user IDs and he basically gives the authority and each and everything basically permission he gives. So in next video.